flat-top guitar from Bridgeton, Maine. This is Jack Jolly. On the upright bass, keeping down the beat and he's keeping me in line. He's whispering things in my ear as I'm playing. From Sabatis, he came all the way down to play 3 songs with us tonight from Sabatis. This is Woody Woods. Over on the mandolin, it is an absolute honor for me to be playing with him tonight. He is a bluegrass music pioneer, one of the 200 and something people credited with inventing bluegrass music. Right from Westbrook, Maine, this is Al Hawks. I've been talking so much, I forgot to put my cable on. Banjo is Latin for out of tune. Okay, what song are we playing? Oh, there we go. Truck Driving Man, right. I would remember all the words to it. Sing it if I know. Right, yeah. From 1954, this one was written and recorded by Terry Fell. I've listened to a bunch of his stuff. Some of it's really strange. This one here's a good one.
You're gonna play this slow, fast, or half-fast?
I'm gonna play half-fast.